Hello, everybody. My name is Mimbure Yara. I am a student in medical informatics system in University of Naziboni in Bobo Dioulasso, the town of Burkina Faso. I work in this. I work on health data quality, with two professors. Firstly, I have Seydou Golobalo, a professor in Naziboni University, and Pascal Stachnik in University of Nice in the Faculty of Medicine. Our theme is designing an application for automatic assessment data quality produced in an African context specific in Burkina Faso. An introduction: in our day, the digital technology has favored the development of data collection tools in health and everywhere. The production of big database and measurement of health indicator quality is possible in short time, but the tools to measure data quality does not exist. Also, scientific methodology in these areas are not yet been developed. Our objective in this work, the means in this work is to propose of some our study is to implement an automatic evaluate system of survey data in health. Specific, we have to determine dimension of data quality, and we have to define the quality square for each dimension. And firstly, we have to describe the step of algorithmic program for the unfolding of each dimension, to deduce them of each dimension by mathematically formula or general process. And we have to develop an application to measure the quality indicator in health database. Finally, we have to deploy and test this global approach. In our methodology, in development, our approach, we use Air software to develop an application. And this application name is PEG data, PEG DQA, PEG for package, D for data, Q for database, and 8 for assessments. This application is based on standard dimension quality. This is design and implementation user tools. For example, I use Vimo tools. Vimo tools is using in our application. Vimo meaning is V for value, and I for invalue, me for missing value, and U for outlier methodology. We have two methods. We have two methods to evaluate our application. The first method is a tabular method, and the second method is the graphic methods. After implementation, our results, in tabular method, we have the dimension of quality in column, and in row we have the variable for database. In graphic methods, we show graphical analysis structure, the use interface, and in experimentation, we show that all variables of database are good quality, and the global coefficient is 97.69 for percent. The database is clean to 98%, so the rate doubtful observation is 2%. In conclusion, we are observing a wide range of literature on the digitalization of health information and quality assessment methods. Our method is essentially use three dimensions. The first dimension is the meaning dimension, meaning value dimension. The second dimension is the valid or invalid value dimension. And the third dimension is out of range or outlier dimension. Our model tests show the global quality is 98%. We conclude them the information containing database is good quality. Our application are not include the quantitative observation or variable, and currently our deployment we detect some default in the data management system. It is a meaning data management system because we consult them in the conception step. The data entry form. In the data entry form, the program jumped the missing value systematic. Our application does not dissociate a normally and an abnormally missing value. Our application allows data user to determine coefficient global of quality. User interface is an exception to our application or model or over model existing. Thank you, everyone. Good. Bye.